Ka jingjur labba bat ke eryong bala wan linshop da ka cyclone Remal kala wadra ka jingdu no ka wei ke mensim brew mensau san ngut bat kala Ktah kumba san haja sispa anrup kendai ngut kinong shong shnong kumba aspa nyo powei teliki shnong bat kendai spa lai teliki yeng haka jela ya kendela ya thu dau menteri ketnat disaster management ba kermenshila haka sni balang Ulai itu baki distrik balai Shah Ktah bhala kalong ya kinong shong shnong bat kiyeng kadai ka Eastern West Khasi Hills bat West Garo Hills Distrik. Ulaong bakane kadai ka Khai Pot balai yok pediang haka por haka step khatway beje jong ka sengi balang.
Yes, actually, I have a report today which we received at 11 a.m. So this report shows that many households were affected and many public were affected because of this cyclone, which is really shows great. I mean, it's on a great alarm when it comes to the cyclone in Meghalaya, which is even the nearby state also are affected. So when it comes to Meghalaya, as per the report which we have received from different districts and from the deputy commissioner, so as of on date in eastern West Khasi Hills, which is under Mairang and North Harashan, Sinadi block, we have seen that 1,243 population were affected, and seven villages were affected, and three house. The infrastructure affected. We have 4 public roads and 11 poles, electric poles. These are the affected, which falls under the Eastern West Khasi Hills. And we have yes, and even these electric poles which are which fails, the department are trying to restore it back one by one. Is still under process, so waiting for it to recover back. So when it comes to West Chanty Hills, under Jawai Urban and Thatlaskin block, we have seen that because of trees fallen and then electric poles, landslide, all these things, it affects 7 village and 1 house and 1 school and 2 electric poles. And the departments are on the job now to restore it back. And we have under Maukanreo, Soyong and Melim block, East Khasi Hills, we have 8 population affected, 4 villages and then 2 houses and 1 infrastructure, that is a wall, and number one, and the second one is that a public road. These are the infrastructure affected. And we have also in West Garo Hills under 3 Tikri Kila, Demdema, Rongram and Dadingre and Gambigre. These are the block affected, which we have witnessed falling of trees, electric poles, and many areas which have been affected by electricity without electricity. So we have 761 population affected, 72 villages, 173 house damage, 5 public properties, 4 schools, 1 farm, 1 MFC building, 8 polyhouse, 6 vermi compost unit. These are the 25 infrastructure affected under this different blocks of West Garo Hills. North Garo Hills, we witness 1 public road affected and then 1 electric line. These are the infrastructure affected, which shows no villages affected and then no population were affected. And we have in South Garo Hills, trees fallen of trees this morning, and then in East Chandy Hills under Wapung Sinadi block, fallen of trees this morning, and which we have witnessed also under Wapung Sinadi block. As per the yesterday's report, there's one person lost his life in East Chandy Hills. And we have also in Southwest Garo Hills, as per the report we have received, since 26 May 2024 there's no electricity, so the department are on the job to restore it back this power electricity. Yeah, total number of population affected, uh, 5,619. And then we have village affected, 271. House damage, 903. And then infrastructure affected, 95. And loss of life, 1. And injured we have 5.